Daddy Shark, do 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 do.
Grandma Shark, do 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 do.
Grandpa Shark, do 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 do.
Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Safe at last, it's the end, do 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 do. The sun is bright, the sky is blue.
Wow!
A boat for me and a boat for you.
Yay!
Step by step, 1 and 2. Let's go see the animal zoo. Vroom, 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 here we go. Down the river, fast and slow. Quack, 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 says the duck, wishing us some happy luck. Big gray elephant, tall and strong, come and join our happy song. Splash, 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 oh what fun, playing in the morning sun. Hee hee ha ha, monkey swings, look at all the joy he brings. A banana for our monkey friend, the happy fun will never end. The lion sleeps, have a very lovely day. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish jump over every little bump. Hello giraffe, you're very tall, you can see over every wall. All our friends are here to stay, we love to play the boat ride way. The sun is low, it's time to rest. Our boat ride was the very best. Goodbye animals, goodbye boat, the happiest ride to ever float. Look at the chick, so yellow and small, bouncing around like a little softball. Wake up little chick, it's time to play. We will have fun on this happy day. Tickle your feathers soft and neat. Oh my dear chick, you are so sweet. Round and round you love to run. Playing together is so much fun. Here comes Daddy with a yummy treat. Little tiny seeds for the chick to eat.
Peck, 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 eat your food. My dear chick is in a happy mood.
Here is some water, fresh and cool, drinking it up from a little blue pool. Sip, 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 drink it down. The cutest little bird in the whole wide town. Oh my dear chick, we love you so. Watch our little baby chicken grow. Yawn, 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 you are sleepy now. Let's take a rest, we will show you how. A cozy little bed, just for you. Soft and warm and shiny new.
Into the basket, safe and deep. Time for our little chick to sleep.
Shh, shh, close your eyes. Sleep until the morning skies. Good night, chick. Dream sweet dreams, glowing in the moonlight beams. We love our chick, yes we do. And we love each other too. Yay! Fruit time! Look what I have! We have yummy fruits, red and green and yellow too. Red, red apple, so sweet to eat. A crunchy snack, a tasty treat. Yellow banana, feel it slow.
One for you and one for me.
Wow! Look at this orange, it's so round! Ooh, so juicy! Yeah! Watermelon, big and green, the coolest fruit we've ever seen. Wow! Look at the strawberries! Sparkly sweet, a yummy treat, the best strawberries you can eat. Mr. Pineapple is dancing.
Mango is the king, so sweet and gold. Bestest fruit in all the world.
Let's make a rainbow salad. Here you go, Teddy. Thank you. We love fruits. Yay! I love fruits, and you do too. They are good for me and you. Bye-bye. Eat your fruits. Look outside, what do we see? Someone needs help, you and me. Helping hands, a happy heart. Let's go out and do our part. Mommy, Daddy, can we go? Helping others helps us grow. Step by step and one by two. Helping is what we love to do. Neighbor, don't you worry. We'll help you in a hurry. I am small, but I am strong. Helping others all day long. Open doors and smiling faces. Kindness spreads in all the places. Mommy, Daddy, me and you. See what teamwork can do.
1, 2, 3, the bags are there because we have a heart to share. Star for being kind, the bestest friends you'll ever find.
Dance around and jump for joy, every girl and every boy. Yay! Wow! Love is big and love is true. Kindness starts with me and you. See you next time. Bye-bye now.